So once you've signed into your Google Drive account, the first thing you want to do is head all the way up here to the left hand corner and you want to click on New. Once you click on New, you want to come down to File Upload. Once you get in File Upload, you want to go down here and find the video that you want to upload. In this example, I'm going to use this video that I have labeled Cars. Now you want to upload. Once you upload, you'll see a progress bar or a progress circle right here in the lower right hand corner. Once the upload is complete, you should see your video right here. Now, if you want to share the video, all you have to do is click on these three dots on the right hand side of this video, come down to share and get link. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can either manually type in the email of the person that you want to see this video or people that you want to see this video. But the more popular way is to just copy the link. So once you copy the link, you can share this everywhere. So if I pull up Google Chrome just for a second and I paste that link in and I hit enter, it's going to take me to a page where you will see the video once it's done processing. Once the video is done processing, this is what it'll look like. If I hit the play button, you can see my original demonstration video is now playing through a share link. Anyway, peace out peeps. It's been your boy King from Solve. I'll see you in the next one.